AI algorithms could analyze sensor data from these nanomaterials and adjust their behavior in real time. The possibilities are virtually limitless, with applications ranging from ultra-efficient solar panels to personalized medicine.
The potential benefits of AI-controlled nanotechnology are vast and awe-inspiring. In medicine, nanobots could revolutionize healthcare by delivering drugs with pinpoint accuracy and repairing damaged tissues. Imagine a world where heart disease is a distant memory, and genetic defects can be corrected before a child is born. Beyond medicine, AI-enabled nanotechnology could offer solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Imagine nanobots cleaning up pollution in our oceans and air, breaking down harmful chemicals. The convergence of AI and nanotechnology holds the potential to usher in a new era of abundance. However, this promise is not without its perils.
The same power that could revolutionize medicine could also be used to create autonomous weapon systems. The ethical implications of AI-controlled nanotechnology are profound and demand careful consideration. Who controls these technologies? How do we prevent their misuse? These are urgent questions.
There are also potential risks associated with the uncontrolled release of nanobots into the environment. What happens if these self-replicating machines disrupt ecosystems? These are real concerns that must be addressed.
Open dialogue, transparency, and public engagement are crucial to ensuring these powerful tools are used responsibly.
Imagine a future where AI and nanotechnology work in harmony, augmenting human capabilities. Diseases are eradicated, poverty is a distant memory, and humanity explores the cosmos. This is the optimistic vision of the future, where technology is used to live in harmony with nature. Realizing this vision requires a concerted effort from scientists, policymakers, and the public. We must proceed with caution, guided by ethical principles and understanding the potential consequences. By embracing cooperation and responsibility, we can harness these technologies to create a brighter future for all.